Beneath the vibrant streets of modern Athens lies a world of untold stories, echoes of democracy, life, and death, a city where the ancient Greeks forged their destiny. Join us as we uncover two extraordinary archaeological gems, the Kerameikos Cemetery and the Agora of Athens, once the beating heart of an ancient civilization. First stop, Kerameikos. This ancient cemetery, named after the potters, Kerameikos, who once worked here, tells a tale of life, artistry, and loss. Founded over 2,500 years ago, Kerameikos became the final resting place of Athenians, from humble artisans to famed warriors.
Here stood the sacred gate, the gateway through which religious processions entered the city, connecting the cemetery to the living fabric of Athens. The walls of Themistocles once encircled this space, ensuring its legacy endured.
Kerameikos was more than a cemetery. It was the stage for rituals like the Panathenaic procession, a solemn yet sacred journey celebrating the soul's passage into eternity. Today, the Kerameikos invites us to reflect on those who shaped Athens' immortal story, and those who were shaped by it. Just a short walk from Kerameikos lies the Agora, the vibrant heart of ancient Athens. Here, history was made. The Agora wasn't just a marketplace, it was the center of Athenian life, where politics, philosophy, and trade converged.
Imagine Socrates pacing these very grounds, challenging citizens to think critically. Orators gathered crowds in the Bouleuterion, shaping laws and ideals that define democracy to this day.
Democracy was born here, shaped by debates and decisions that inspired generations across the globe. Philosophers like Socrates and Plato walked these paths. Merchants sold olive oil, pottery, and textiles. It was a melting pot of ideas and innovation. Today, the Agora reminds us of a society where freedom of thought flourished, a city that dared to ask questions no one had before. These two extraordinary sites, Kerameikos and the Agora, are more connected than they seem. The sacred way, once trodden by the living and the departed, united life and death in the rhythm of ancient Athens. From the quiet serenity of Kerameikos to the bustling energy of the Agora, they reveal Athens as a city alive with both spirit and ambition. Standing amidst these ruins, it's easy to feel the weight of history and the eternal whisper of voices that shaped our modern world. Kerameikos and the Agora, two sites that tell a timeless story of Athens, of life, legacy, and democracy. If you enjoyed this journey through ancient Athens, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more adventures into history's greatest mysteries. See you in the next story.